out the first game like really strong, and then the second and third game we kind of just came out flat. Our energy like came down, and then the fourth game our coaches told us we needed to decide what we wanted to do. We were either gonna fold or we're gonna come out strong. And came out, and that's what we did. We came out with a lot of energy and had like just I don't know. We celebrated, did everything our coaches wanted us to do. Came together as a team. So that's pretty much what it is. I give all my credit to my team. Well, like I said, just like Ursuline, pretty much. The first game against the Moan, we came out really strong the first match, and then the second and third match we came out really flat. We just couldn't figure out like how to finish and get a point inside out during the first and second and third match. And then in the fourth match we were down, but we came back and won. And then the fifth match we just couldn't finish it. But then we had a chance in the Notre Dame game to either fold and go 0-2 or go 1-1, and we decided for the Notre Dame game that we were going to win, so that's what we did. I definitely want to be looked more to as a leader and to a go-to hitter this year because, like you said, we're a young team and people need to step up, and I definitely want to be one of those people that can step up. Yeah, I definitely think each match, every set we play, we definitely get closer and closer to where we want to be. We're improving each and every game, and like every practice we're learning more and more, and we're getting definitely better as a team playing together. I definitely think we need to improve on our blocking. I mean, but we work on that every game. And getting our middles going. They got a lot of action this weekend at the Sunday matches, and it definitely showed that with time we get better and better, and we really just need to work on serve, receive, and defense. Just playing really as a team is what we really need to do to come out and be strong against the PSAC teams.
Well, it all started with our coach. He's very, very hardworking. He demands a lot out of us, which I kind of like. He sets the standard really high, and we all need to, as a team, work to either be at that standard or even come close to it. And I really played hard out for my first 2 wins, and I was able to come near it. So it really gives me a boost for the beginning of the season. I was very eager and very excited that I made it that far just as a sophomore. I mean, I know there are a few like seniors and juniors who don't even win a first round their whole college career. Like any goal, I always set up my bar as winning the national championship. That is what I want to do as a team. What I do individually, it really doesn't matter. I just try to do the best I can, and if winning comes out of it, it comes out of it. I think I got used to the game, so I do feel like I improved, but I also know like what I'm expecting now. As a freshman, I didn't know who I was playing or what kind of team I would be playing, but now I know like my different opponents and the kids who I will be facing up this season.